So we have now our car. It is moving on our track. We have car, we have track, we are a moving car, but it goes under the road, and this is some major problem. So we need to apply some physics on it. Okay, so you have to go to the regular C. Okay, there is many things. You have to go to the component for regular C. Go select regular C, then go to the component, go to the physics, go to the rigid body. Okay, here you can get this. Okay, this is called the mass of the car, drag, force, gravity, use gravity. Okay, for this you need here constraints. So click this and freeze rotation for x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Okay, for rotating it anywhere you have to apply some physics on it, and you also need something physics in box collider. This is for our look like a box, it will collide. Okay, if we use this, if we play this now, if we take it up or something, if we run this now, it will move forward, but the gravity will pull it down and it goes down on somewhere, I don't know, it will go down. So the track should also have the rigid body. So in track go. So here is the problem, we also give the track some friction that the car do not go under the track. So here we have to go to component, physics component, okay, the mesh collider. Okay, mesh collider, this mesh will collide, it will not fall down the car. Okay, if we run this, the car on the mesh, it will not fall down. Okay, this is a major problem, so you have to think how it can work. So here we are almost there for our racing game. Here we are go infinity, don't go. Okay, now back to the track. Now you have to save your scene. Okay, don't save your scene, you do not get anything. So go, this is in your asset folder, save scene like car plus code. Okay, and save it, it will save. So if you get any error in somewhere, you can click this save scene, it will go backward and it will give what you have done previously. Okay, just save it different scene so you can backtrack your previous work anytime you want. Okay, it is a good work that sometime you will get many error, you cannot understand where is my error in code or something, so it is a good work. Okay, so here is our track, here is our car moving, here is our applied physics in it. Now we need more coding for give it to the forward direction, backward direction and left and right rotation. Okay, so get back to your coding. So Now we want, if we press only the W or up arrow, it will go forward like Need for Speed. Okay, we are using up arrow. So if input dot get key there is some mistake. Get keys input dot, here I mistake it, get key code dot up arrow. Here if we press up arrow, then it will transform his axis. So if we press forward, then it will go forward, otherwise it do not go forward. Let's save it and run it. Okay, now our car is not moving. If we get the up arrow, then it is moving. When we press, did not press, it will stop. Okay, so this is for forward. You can also write backward, just copy and paste. Okay, just copy this code and paste this code. Okay, and now you have to think, you are going to forward direction up arrow and backward direction down arrow. This is our down arrow. Here we are going to the x-axis forward plus x-axis. You need to go minus x-axis, so you just write negative, then I think it go to the negative side. Let's try. Go to the forward, go to the backward, go to the forward, go to the backward. Okay, it is very simple, man. So you need to write now, going turn left or right. If get key left, I think left arrow. Okay, transform. There is a different code that till we need another variable. Type just float speed, turn speed. You on turn speed, it need big speed 20 f 20.0, I think better for floating. Okay, transform, we do not need this, we do not need this. Up arrow, left arrow, right arrow, and we need transform dot rotate vector 3 dot up turn speed my I think plus turn speed turn speed into delta time. Delta time. If you press tab, it will correct the code delta time, can correct it. Time dot delta time, sorry. Then transform dot rotate. Why it give me the error? Transform it is not capital letter. Okay, just copy and paste. For right arrow, just keep the turn speed negative. Okay, save. Now play this. There is no error. If you get any error, something like this, transform, you cannot play this. Okay, if we save this and if we there is compiling error, you have to do your code properly, otherwise it not run. Save. So here are we. So if we go right, left, right, left, I think this is, in my case, this is opposite direction. So go to the script and get their minus and get their plus. Save. Here we are. This it look like perfect. Oh shit, damn. We have to fix this problem. So in this, if we mesh collider put in this area, then it will know, it will not fall down because it will block the car to go outside the road. Okay, so we need a mesh collider. Sorry, we need a mesh collider to this side, so it can prevent the car to move side of the road. Okay, two side blocked. Okay, now we have a car, but the car move is not perfect. It is go only forward, but if we stop pressing upper key, then it is stopped suddenly. But it is not the actual move of a car, because the car, if we press brake, then it will brake slowly, then speed it slowly stop, okay, so we have to make this code perfect. We need acceleration variable that a car can move like a real car. Okay, if we do not press the acceleration, that it will stop slowly. So we have to upgrade our code